Subscribe to GH Live.
Okay, Yachia Obibia Mobia Kwaba GH Live Asante Kotoko 1, Accra House of Folk 0. Babayara Sports Stadium was the venue of attraction. Nenyake to Accra. Bibia Kwakoda din Krobia Mapoma Metema Sante Kotoko. About the Tushiri Edin Kunima, Achiri Ayedin. Yanko, na enjoy highlights no.
How many fictions so keep clean sheets? 7 clean sheets, Benjamin Asare at that form.
Yeah, and clean sheets away. Sometimes we'll be back as a defense, a very solid. And also to me, a goalkeepers. I'm a woman to me keep a lot of clean sheets in there. But a bright friend of Benjamin Asare, you know.
Rabona Tente, Tilibonache, Kotoko Tabasuna Sudabi. Opiano, a goal kick. Siabo Adiatia, Kotoko, your body at phobia, coach. Prosper Nate Ogu Netu Aishan Nasan Shebuta, a time for Kumasia Sante Kotoko. Nasudabi, beautiful clearance. House of Folk defense, you know. I said, Omunshada and Kalkesa, our defense, you know.
Yeah, I think Kotoko tactically the deficiency of House of Folk.
Kumasia Sante Kotoko, a chance for Kotoko, a beautiful clearance. Upon Chani Tini, Theophilus Collection, Nuwaya, what a stable situation of Jama. Phobia. Kumasia Sante Kotoko for a mount to pressure, upon pressure. Corner kick, Atiama. The puck. House of Folk. Phobia. Naso Kotoko Bank to number 1 born and co-posting in Champa. Goal kick. Abranchani Tene, Dauda Saka. Abdraman in the club. Lovely pass and Timako. Naso Asamba Beti Abranchani Tene, Emmanuel Amankwa. Bonakodi Yaya. Martin Kakari. Ball shot, Nasodabi. Jaja Abdraman.
Say, one more bit to me, take a lead, you know. But Hamza, I think, one can so, and a boy, be to be yeah. So Hamza is, I think, the next time I was on you because this glorious opportunity, the Maoba, and go to me at the ball, not to attend.
Kumasia Sante Kotoko phone and chances. Now someone to me for about Tottenham. The last time at Phobia Unia against House of Folk now 2020 to be a control bona 10 at the bona beautiful control Phobia from Antony Clubon. Well, you see bona ready. Kumasa time for Kotoko. This should be the opener. Kumasa Sante Kotoko. Oh my goodness. What a tackle. My goodness. Fantastic defending from House of Folk defender. My goodness, look at that game, Shenibio. Fantastic defending by our standard. Lovely pass. Albert Nasudabi. Dabi. Kumasa Sante Kotoko. Let me Banaka. A time for Kotoko. Naso Dabi. Assistant line 2. Alex Osam. Osidabi on the outside. Assistant line 2. Osidabi. Dabi. Otinuko Enye. Outside. Amua, no outside position.
Yeah, I think we are two. Okay, clear. We are two defenders, you know, and I need Yaya Dramani and Ubiana.
Maybe upon the Tanu Ultima, Phobia Benjamin Asare, no problem at all.
Direct, and we ain't Benjamin Asare. Direct, and even the power behind the ball. I don't think that a mood or fem.
Bona Coach Justice Billy, Bonatente at Tabot Sunaso, a time for Kotoko! What a mess! Shenibio! Okay, my goodness! What a mess! No chance Atima Kumasia Sandiorako. Shasha Dramaya Sobabona Bono Kobona Naibenkuno and a Koto Babaya Yami Anotie. Only goalkeeper Naso. One team and force Yanyo.
Big miss. You know, Papaya.
Never say Patrick Asiedu, Martin Kakari, beautiful one, Michael Kakari, Kakari Krabon, Pierre Koma Salim Adams, Adams are control on the Bona Quatri, Theophilus Wabo shot and Asodabi, Theophilus collection body number Bikra.
Yeah, game no, and I think two teams, you know, in Modimbo and Navy, I go primary, so you had the back one, SUNI.
Singing cherry on the teams. Yes, Patrick Asiedo again. Benjamin Asare managing to prevent it. That's a big save from the big man. And once more, Hasselhoff staying intact into the fixture. That's Lord Amwa. Mulato sending a very long one. Salimana has it up, finds Martin Kakari.
The defense of Accra House of Folk by making sure that the lateral defenders join attack. So you can find about 4 players in the box of Accra House of Folk.
That's Aqua. That's a hot chase, Abdraman. Albert Amwa giving that free space, hits it back. Finds Samido Aqua. Ample space, it's going to be a shot, but again, it's a wasted opportunity from the youngster.
We come back again and we talk about the shooting of both teams.
On the best of round Hussein. Salim. Let's just look at it. Beautiful play. Crowley. Looking for a bit of help. He's got a sweet fade. Comes in. Check goes down. The referee who said that's a fair challenge.
Static. And they are playing their 4-2-3-1, but are using the wings more. And they want to stretch the defense of Accra House of Folk. And I believe we are going to have a nail-biting last few minutes of the game.
What this face off, Coach Watara should sum up the last 75 minutes or so or more. That's Patrick Asiedo sending it across, but this was the incident. Well, let's see. Oh my goodness, another real hit there with a real stinger from Emmanuel. A few seconds to go, I beg your pardon. Asare, Salim, lovely touch. Oh, we need to watch. Quite silly, isn't it? You don't fall at this moment. Kotoko will have to attack. Osasime, Asare. Asare. Lovely touch. Oh, we need to watch. Quite silly, isn't it? You don't fall at this moment. Kotoko will have to attack. Osasime. Asare.
Enti, I don't know, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Albert Amwa, and our then to atenam kama. Ema chiri idea wako hwehwe highlight na yenso yede asomo kama ewo GH1 Live Studios Asante Kotoko Palace abia repair the next video. Yeah, the reactions I will draw right after the game. And bro, but for now, dear, thank you for enjoying the highlight of the game between Asante Kotoko and Afinso Accra House of Folk. It was Kotoko 1, Accra House of Folk 0.
Subscribe to GH Live.